Most people have more than one device and save files on each of them. That makes it difficult to always have what you need wherever you are.
You just don't know cloud, this tiny little shitty area, which is becoming super important, and in many ways is the future of computing.
Now, some people think the cloud is just a hard disk in the sky, right? And you take a bunch of stuff and you put it in your Dropbox or your iDisk or whatever.
Then the next thing I knew, it went up. It went up to the cloud.
And you can't get it down from the cloud?
Nobody understands the cloud. It's a mystery.
Cloud services allows growing businesses and startup companies the ability to access their data quickly. Cloud-based services are able to scale up or scale down the capacity according to the company's demands. As mentioned in a survey, many companies are advantageous when using cloud services because of the operational agility it provides. So to start up, we're going to need a bunch of servers, probably 5 or 6. That's going to be a lot of space. And oh God, that's going to be a lot of time and cost too.
Have no fear. The cloud is here. Don't fret this place. I have enough space. I'll start you fast and make you last. Utilize me and be hassle-free.
As long as there is internet connection, you can access the information and data on the cloud from anywhere at any time. These convenient features let you move beyond time zone and geographic location issues. Software as a service can act as a great simplifier for many organizations. If you have staff members working off-site, they can access their work just as easily at home as they can in the office. If they're using a private or secure Wi-Fi connection, there's also no need to set up a virtual private network.
Emailing documents back and forth or using an FTP server to collaborate on projects is really slow and cumbersome. Collaborating in the cloud is fast and easy. Once you've tried it, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. A good example of this is Google Drive, Microsoft 365, and Dropbox. All of these applications allow consumers to share and edit information and data simultaneously. However, there could be some concern from some users and some reluctance to share their information and share their knowledge. Management also must be involved to help push collaboration across a team. Other benefits include increased efficiency, which allow users to collaborate from different geographical areas, different time zones. Productivity allows users to work on the same project all at the same time, cutting times and workloads in half. Collaboration also increases innovation. Vivian, when are you going to log into Google Drive so we can finish our 307 project?
I'm on it right now.
Oh, that's you on the cloud?
Yeah.
I'm on it too.
You're on it?
Yes, I am.
We're going to get this done in no time.
Ahmad is typing, Ahmad is typing, Ahmad is typing, Ahmad is typing. Vivian is typing, Vivian is typing, Ahmad is typing, Vivian, Vivian, Ahmad, Vivian, Kate, Kate, Vivian, Kate, Ahmad, Vivian, Kate, Ahmad, Vivian, Kate, Ahmad.
Every company should invest in a disaster recovery plan, but that can become very costly and timely. Cloud Services provides all the necessary tools for an efficient recovery plan, designed to save time, costs, and additional expertise. Small businesses are more likely to implement cloud services due to these reasons.
Yes, we need an IT guy. Yes, we need someone with 2 hands and 2 legs that come in and fix all of our servers. Yes. Yes, we do. Yeah, do you have friends? We need about 5 of you guys. and we have a lot of servers. We need a lot of help.
Don't worry about it. I have my own support.
Since cloud only uses the space they need, it decreases carbon emission and energy consumption. For small companies, it can cut energy usage and carbon emission up to 90%. To obtain a better understanding of the environmental benefits of cloud computing, Google funded a study at Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory to create a model that compares using and not using cloud services. The model concluded that moving basic programs such as email, spreadsheets, and management software could save enough energy each year to power LA for an entire year. The model also included the use of data centers, electrical grid, transportation, and devices that enable users to access cloud services.
Access is fully dependent on the internet. Therefore, outages and slowdowns are more likely to occur. You should be aware of the fact that this technology is always prone to outages and other technical issues. Even the best cloud service providers run into this kind of trouble, in spite of keeping up high standards of maintenance. As more mission-critical work is done on the internet, organizations will need much more bandwidth and fewer failures in internet connectivity. Additionally, if your internet connection is offline, you will not be able to access any of your applications, server, or data from the cloud.
What's going on?
I don't know. There's no internet connection.
Cloud.
Hey, Cloud.
Cloud, wake
Hey.
up. Get back.
It can be difficult to migrate from one cloud platform to another. If you move to another host, it can be complex and expensive to configure your applications to meet the requirements of the new host. This can potentially expose your data to more security vulnerabilities. In the IDG Enterprise 2014 Cloud Survey, only 29% of IT leaders understood that it would be difficult switching between cloud services. Because cloud vendors want to control their customers' flexibility, vendors will make their platforms incompatible with one another.
So anyways, with the new success, obviously you've seen the stock prices.
Yes, I have.
We got a new cloud. We're dumping the old, we're coming in with the new. And we have all of our data. There it is. Handle it.
I can't read any of this.
What? What do you mean?
I requested a pink paper and a spiral notebook. This is white paper on a flip notebook. Yeah, this isn't going to work.
The main source for a cloud service to properly perform its function relies heavily on internet access and power. With this being said, clouds are more vulnerable to attacks and breaches. Through online access, hackers are able to break through security measures and obtain critical data, usually used for malicious activities. Another common reason clouds are vulnerable to attacks is because of the large amounts of data these clouds retain. Many cloud companies hold millions of data for different companies and become the target for online hackers. For example, an attack at Akamai Technology on June 15, 2004 caused a domain name outage and a major blackout that affected Google Inc., Yahoo Inc., and many other sites. I'm a huge cloud. I can hold a lot of data. I'm fast. Hey, that's my data. Don't take that. Don't take that. That's mine. Give it to me. No, you can't look at that. That's mine. That's mine. Stop.
There are many different incentives for businesses to switch to cloud-based computing, but there are also some security concerns. Some of the two top concerns that companies may have is how can their data be safe in the cloud? And also the other concern is what to do when that data is compromised. These are all valid concerns, and what companies need to know is that they need to be prepared for these type of security concerns in order to be better protected and safeguard their data. What happened? What happened, Cloud?
Many small businesses have considered cloud computing services but have refused to take the leap after realizing the annual cost per year this transition would create. Cloud computing services not only require an initial startup cost, it also involves solution costs that for any small business can add up very quick. Many small owners analyze the option of cloud computing services and conclude that instead, setting up a server with only minimal maintenance costs would be most cost efficient for the company. Cloud services might also be more of a costly service for small businesses because most of these services and features provided by these large cloud firms aren't necessarily what they use most for their day-to-day activities. However, some of these services and features are a cost reduction for large companies because large companies bundle these benefits, but for businesses who have never used these services, it is irrelevant to them what additional benefits they gain from switching to the cloud. Gene Marks, contributor of Forbes, states, "Unfortunately, the cloud is not a yet viable option for small businesses. The rent is still too high."
Yeah, I think it's about time we got one of those cloud things. What do you think?
Cloud thingies? Aren't those things really expensive?
I mean, we're a small company. It shouldn't be too bad, right?
I don't know. You're starting to sound like my ex-wife when she wanted to have our first baby. Those things added up pretty quick. Before you knew it, we were 50,000 in debt.